our country. What is the name of your country? The name of my country is Pakistan. When did Pakistan came into being? Pakistan came into being on 14th August 1947. What is the capital city of Pakistan? Islamabad is the capital city of Pakistan. Who is the founder of Pakistan? Quaid-e-Azam is the founder of Pakistan. Name the famous cities of Pakistan. Islamabad, Lahore, and Karachi are the famous cities of Pakistan.